GoHighLevel versus N8N. Best for business automation? I'm going to tell you which is the better for business automation in 2025, GoHighLevel or N8N. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing platform built for agencies. It lets you run funnels, book appointments, send emails and texts, and even white label your services. But it's not cheap. Plan starts at $97 per month, and users say the UI can feel clunky or buggy at times. On the flip side, N8N is a flexible, open source automation tool where you can build visual workflows and connect hundreds of apps. It's perfect if you like modular setups and don't mind hosting it yourself or using it alongside other tools. GoHighLevel works best if you want an all-in-one client system. N8N's better if you want more control and customization.